Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Mint newspaper headline. On page number 5, in that protest flare across China has anger rises on zero COVID policy. Next, freebies in the fray. Next, on page number 6, in that mid small caps shine, but caption is in order. And on page number 7, in that government looks to revive exports after slump. Center may offer swoop exposure, new markets, FTAs to boost trade. Next, micro lenders step into secured loan to bring down risk. Next, government scans land near airports to build aircraft assembly lines. Next, supply chain woes a hurdle for high cross Toyota Yoshimura. Next, Canada launches new Indo-Pacific strategy focus on disruptive China. Next, India number one priority for HSBC, says head of country business Dave. Next, Egypt president to be chief guest at Republic celebration. Then we comes to page number 8, in that the tendency to use history as a weapon is rising. Next, budget to pick measures to boost growth without fueling inflation. A financially 24 budget will also incorporate suggestion for the medium term goal of making India a nation. Then next, reduce pace of rate hikes. CII tells RBI. Next, budget may not tweak central schemes. Next, new logistic cost index in the works to help with project formulation. Then on page number 10, in that startups plan satellite assembly facilities. India's larger share in global space market with participation from startup. Next, mid-size mid-sized miss miss mid-sized deal take presence this week. Then on page number 11, in that a great rotation is brewing in Asia has investor head north. Next, Italy bonds are heading for biggest gain in nearly 3 years. Next, Fed's message is falling on markets years. Next, Oberoi reality Worley projects clarifications may alive investors worry. The next, market sees decline in volatility despite recovery global environment. Next, Italy's bond are heading for biggest gain in nearly 3 years. Then on page number 13, in that supply chain was a hurdle for high cross Toyota Yoshimura. Next, cement firms hope for better demand price after dismal quarter 2. Next, work to combat climate change FM to startups. Next, mutual MFI tab secured asset classes. Next, civil aviation ministry scans land near airport to build aircraft assembly lines. Next, center explores new market free trade deals to revive exports. Then on page number 14, in that pharma exports hit $14.57 billion in April October. Next, India is top priority for HSBC, more Indian turning wealthy. Next, inventory glut may stay for 6 months. Wellspun Goenka. Then next, IDBI to operate as private sector bank after strategical sale. Next, NCLAT order a distinct remedy from arbitration legal expert. Next, panel for ONGC gas price cap. Next, ethos to add stores double down on prizers luxury watches. Then on page number 15, in that gold import falls 17% in April October. Next, rate of insolvency recovery falls in quarter. Next, road sector has 243 delayed projects. Next, Hero Harley bike may launch soon. Next, Egypt president to be chief guest at Republic Day celebration. Next, India's must utilize G20 presidency. Next, less tax on audit can boost sector. Next, fall in senior citizen traveling by trains. Next, Godrej eyes to rupees 8,000 crore from Delhi projects. Next, removes biopsy duty miners body. Next, FMCG sector sees encouraging winter products consumption. Then we comes to page number 16, in that Twitter CEO Musk says users sign up at all time high. Next, China's industrial profits drop as COVID surges price fall. Next, Kim was North Korea to have world's most powerful nuclear force. Next, US jobs report likely to show substantial progress to Fed Eco weeks. Next, Canada unveils new Indo-Pacific strategy taking aim at China. Ottawa vows to unleash more resources to deal with the disruptive China. Next, Kiwi grapples with the power outage amid fear of new attacks. Then on page number 19, it's an article section in that hope spring anew on a private capex revival. Next, it it is not easy to set up high quality institution of higher education. Next, how the global cult of crypto found so many believers. Then on page number 20, in that our free trade agreement with Australia is unique in its detail. Next, middle manager keep firm going and desire gratitude. Next, post college innocence and disgust unemployment. Then on page number 21, in that design for the future of work. Next, the feel good promise of hobbies and interests. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.